Hey, good morning. It's Friday, May 2nd, I believe. We're doing a headlight restoration. 2014 Honda Civic. And we're going to do engine bay cleaning. So this is the before pictures. It's the other headlight. And here's a close-up of the engine bay. There's some looseness from the already separating. It's pretty dirty. We got some dirt up in here, dirt up in there. Cover the alternator, the towel. Paint's not too bad. This is before pictures. Let me show you some interior. So this seat's not too bad. But as you can see, the center console, a lot of stains. Yeah, I'll try to work those out. Yeah, seat's got tears in it and lots of stains. So we're gonna work those out best we can. Dash is pretty good. Headliner's pretty good. Got hubcaps on here. There's a little bit of damage on the car. There's some stains in the back seat. A little bit on the back. Not too bad. In the back of the front seats, some spots. Before pictures. A little dirt up inside the hood panels inside. Some scratches on the body.